Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Leah. Thank you once again for checking this video out, and if this is your first time stumbling on my channel, be sure to subscribe. And if you're one of those lurkers that keep coming and not subscribing, please do something different today and click the subscribe button, and don't forget to also hit the notification button so you get notified whenever I have new videos out. Okay, so today's tutorial is about this look. It's very fun and edgy and fresh, and I'm going to show you guys how I achieved this look. Keep watching. So we're starting out with my bare face. I only have my moisturizer on my face. So right now I'm going to be doing my brows using a brow gel called Hegai and Esther in the lightest shade called Toffee. I usually use that shade for lighter skin people, but I use it because I want a more natural looking brow today. Then I darkened it using my Mabrook eyebrow pencil. So now I'm using my e.l.f. complete coverage concealer to clean up the brows, and also using that same concealer to prime my eyes. Then I'm going to be setting it using the Benai banana powder. And now I'm going into my Morphe eyeshadow palette in 35B. I'm just taking that orange color and using it above my crease as my transition color, mixing it with a bit of yellow to make it a bit more orangey than red. Now taking that purple shade and placing it below that orange color and blending it inwards. Now to cut my crease, I'm going to be using the LA Girl High Definition Eyeshadow Primer in white and cutting my crease just basically 3/3 of the length of my eyelid. Now taking that gold shade, is a very light gold shade that looks almost silvery. I place it in the inner corner, then the blue right there in the middle, and blended it all out. Now I'm using my Kiss Beauty eyeliner to line my eyes. And now I'm going in with some gold glitter and glitter glue, and using just a little pencil brush to apply the glitter in my inner crease. And then I just fixed my lashes, and now I'm using my face primer to prime my face, and I'm using the Becca Ever Matte Poreless primer. So I'm just lining my waterline with a random black pencil. And now for my foundation, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me 360 foundation in Mocha and applying it with a buffing brush all over my face. So now I'm using the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Expresso. This is about one shade lighter than me, or maybe 2 shades. And because I want a more natural highlight, I'm using this particular shade, and I'm just going to be highlighting the areas under my eyes, the bridge of my nose, my cupid's bow, right above my lips, my chin, and my forehead area. Then I'm blending that right in using a beauty blender. So now I'm going to be using my Benai banana powder as my setting powder, and today I'm going to be baking my face. You guys know I don't really like to bake, but I just decided to do it today, especially because I used a concealer that is not too light to highlight my face. So at the end of the day, everything is still going to be nicely blended with no flashbacks. So I'm just placing the setting powder all over the places that I highlighted. Now I'm going to be using this powder called Office Color Fashion in Y11 to brush off my setting powder, the excess setting powder. And that powder is actually about 2 shades lighter than me to make the highlight a little bit more pronounced. So I'm brushing off the setting powder right now. And I'm taking a darker powder, which is actually my shade. And this powder that I'm using is the LA Pride USA in the shade Ebony, and I'm applying it on all other parts of my face, and also applying it over the highlighted areas also to tone down the intensity of the highlight and make everything nice and well blended. Then also don't forget to apply your powder in your jawline and your neck area too. I'm using the Maybelline All Clear Smooth Powder in the shade Cacao to contour my forehead, the perimeters of my forehead and my cheekbones and my chin to make it a little bit more pointy. Then now I'm using an eyeshadow blending brush to apply that contour by the bridge of my nose, by the sides of my nose, to give it a more pointed look. So now for blush, I'm using that reddish shade of blush to give my cheeks some color. And for my highlight, I'm using the classic contour kit in the shade Dark to put some glow on my face, and also using it to highlight my brow bone. My forehead, my cheekbone, the bridge of my nose, my chin, and my cupid's bow. And I'm just using my buffing brush to blend everything right in. Now to set my face, I'm using the Zaron Perfect Finish spray, and I applied a lot of it because I noticed I was looking very powdery, so this is going to tone it down. Now for the lips, I'm using the Mabrook Extremely Soft eyeliner in black to line my lips because we're going for a dark lips today, something really dramatic. I haven't done blue lips on the channel before, so I thought it'd be fun to do this. So now I'm filling in my lips using the Avour matte lip stain in 36, and I'll be using another shade in 22. I'm blending them both right in, and this is the finished look. So this look is very wearable for maybe a night outing where you want to look really edgy and dramatic. It's a very bold look. If you want to calm it down a little, you could skip the blue lips and maybe use nude. Well, the eyes are really colorful, and I love this look. I enjoyed creating it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.